Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahadi English School. This video is for students of class 3, subject grammar. The thought for today: no act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. That means, if you are kind with everyone, if you speak nicely, if you are polite and humble, that will come back to you. Means the people will also be nice with you. Be nice with others, others will be nice with you. These are the instructions that you need to follow. Seek to understand first, then to be understood. So first you have to understand others, then others will understand you. First work, then play. So always complete your work and then go out to play. Be proactive. Always be active in all the things. Don't say no for anything. Positive attitude. Think win. Always think that you can do it. Have a positive attitude. Finish what you start. So something that you start, never leave that in between. Always complete it. Work as a team means help your friends will help you. Work as a team. Take time to refresh means after completing your work you should get refreshment. You should go out with your parents, with your elders, and you should just get refreshment for some time. In our today's video we will continue with chapter 14, degrees of adjectives. This is the revision of the chapter 14 with the help of some interesting worksheets which are related to superlative degree. So let us revise chapter 14. So as I said, today we are revising chapter number 14, degrees of adjectives. In that specifically I have made this video to make you understand what is superlative degree, as there are 3 degrees that we learned of adjectives: positive, comparative and superlative. So superlative degree means when you are doing comparison between more than 2, means 3, 4, 5, 10, in short more than 2 people, things are compared, that is called superlative degree. This is the exercise that we will solve. The first one, write the superlative form of adjectives. So left hand side the adjectives are given, as you can see over here the 11 adjectives are given, and on the right hand side we have to write the superlative form of this positive degree. The third form of the degree, the superlative form, like we had smart, smarter, smartest, that way we have to write the superlative form of all these adjectives. Let us start. See the first one, big, big. So what are the 3 degrees? Positive, comparative, superlative. Big, bigger, the biggest. So always write the when you are writing superlative degree, bigest, the biggest. Big, the biggest, that is superlative form. Then number 2, clever, clever. What is the superlative form? Clever, cleverer, the cleverest. So we write the, as I said, cleverest, the cleverest. After that, difficult, difficult. So what are the comparative and superlative forms? More difficult and the most difficult. So here we write superlative form, the most difficult. This is the answer, the most difficult. After that, number 4, famous, famous. So there also you have to add more and most, as you cannot add er or est. So famous, more famous and the most famous. That way we should write the most famous. That is the superlative form of the word. The most famous. After that, late, late. So do you know what is the comparative form? Later. And what is the superlative form? The latest. Late, later, latest. As you know that we add the for superlative degree. So the latest. Latest. Late, later, latest. So these are the answers: the biggest, the cleverest, the most difficult, the most famous, the latest. Now, number 6, old, old. So what are the three forms? Old, older, oldest, right? So here we write the oldest like this. The oldest, the superlative form, the oldest. Number 7, proud, proud, prouder, the proudest. We write the proudest, proud, prouder, and the proudest. After that, quiet, quiet. The three forms are quiet, quieter, and the quietest. So here we have to write the superlative form. First you write the spelling of quiet, then add est, the quietest. Quiet, quieter, and quietest, the quietest. After that, strong, 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 stronger, and the strongest. The superlative form we shall write over here. The strongest. Strong, stronger, and the strongest. Then number 10, thin, thin, thinner, thinnest. What is the superlative form? First you write thin, you write double N, est, thin, thinner, the thinnest. Number 11, young. So young, younger, and the youngest. So we write the youngest. Here we shall write N. Young, younger, and the youngest. That's the answer. Young, younger, the youngest. Here we complete the first exercise for today. You can check all the answers. You can take screenshots so that you can write and practice at home. Here the answers were the oldest, the proudest, the quietest, the strongest, the thinnest, and the youngest. After that, we have one more exercise. Write sentences using the superlative degree. Here the sentences are given in jumbled order. You can see the jumbled words are given, right? So you have to write this in the proper order. You have to add the. The is missing. Article the is missing. You have to add article the and make it superlative degree. You have to find out the adjective and then you have to add the and make the sentence superlative. You have to make superlative degree. See here, Vatican City is small country in the world. This is Vatican City. It is a small country in the world. So where do we add the? Where is the adjective, do you know? See, adjective is over here. Small, that is adjective. Small, big, all these are adjectives. We have to add the. And what is the superlative form? The smallest. The smallest. So that way we shall write the answer. So the answer will be like this. Vatican City is the smallest city in the world. See, we have written the superlative form. The smallest. Vatican City is the smallest city in the world. After that, number 2, London is big city in England. So where is the adjective? big. Here we have to make biggest and we have to add the. So let's write the answer. So as you can see the answer, London is the biggest city in England. The biggest we have written. So superlative form of big is the biggest. Now number 3. Big Brother is good reality show in Spain. What is the adjective? Good. Do you know the superlative form? Good, better, best. So we write the best and we write the answer. So the answer is Big Brother is the best reality show in Spain. The best. Do we write the best? After that, Glasgow is exciting city in Scotland. Glasgow is exciting city in Scotland. So here instead of exciting we write the most exciting. What do you write? The most exciting. Only that change you have to make. The other answer will be as it is. How will you write? Glasgow is the most exciting city in Scotland. You have to write the answer yourselves. The Lord of the Rings is long film. So what is the adjective? Long. What is the superlative? The longest. So what will be the answer? The Lord of Rings is the longest film. The Lord of Rings is the longest film. Number 6. Science is difficult school subject. What is the adjective? Difficult is the adjective over here. Do you know the superlative form? The most difficult. So the answer should be like this. Science is the most difficult school subject. Science is the most difficult school subject that you have to write in the answer. But you will write it yourself. Number 7. Ferrari is expensive cars in the world. Ferrari is expensive car in the world. So instead of expensive, we have to write the superlative degree. The most expensive. The most expensive. So the sentence should be like Ferrari is the most expensive car in the world. After that, Antonio is tall boy in the class. So the adjective over here is tall. And what is the superlative? The tallest. Antonio is the tallest boy in the class. Antonio is the tallest boy in the class. After that we have one more exercise. See over here. Write the adjectives in the brackets in the superlative form. Adjectives are given in the brackets. We have to write in the blank the superlative form of adjective. Right? Let us start. Number 1. Diana is dash girl in her class. It is given Pretty. Pretty. So what is the superlative form? The prettiest. The prettiest. That is the superlative form. See, we will write the answer. The Prettiest. Prettiest. Diana is the prettiest girl in her class. The prettiest because it is superlative degree. Number 2. My town is dash in Spain. The bracket is given nice. So what is the superlative form? The nicest. So that's our answer. Let us write the answer. The Nicest. My town is the nicest in Spain. Number 3. 21st of June is dash day of the year. Bracket it is given long. So what is the superlative form of long? The longest. The longest. So now I will write that answer in number 3. See, the answer should be the longest. 21st of June is the longest day of the year. So here first 3 we have completed. And number 4, Jupiter is dash planet in our solar system. You know there are planets in our solar system. 8 are there. Jupiter, what is the size of the Jupiter? Is it big or small? It is big. So here it is given big. But is it the biggest? Yes, it is. So what is the superlative form? The biggest. The biggest. This is the spelling. Biggest. Biggest. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. Number 5. This is dash book I have ever read. In bracket it is given interesting. So what is the superlative form? The most interesting. The most interesting. See, I shall write the answer. The most interesting. This is the most interesting book I have ever read. After that, number 6. Cherries are dash fruit in the spring. Cherries are dash fruits in the spring. So here it is given sweet. What is the superlative form? The sweetest. The sweetest. See how to write? First you write the SWEETEST. Sweetest. Cherries are the sweetest fruit in the spring. Have you eaten cherries? Yes, they are very, very sweet. They are the sweetest fruit in the spring season. So we wrote the sweetest. Then number 7. December is dash month of the year. In bracket it is given cold. So what is the comparative and superlative form? Cold, colder, and the coldest. So here we shall write the superlative form as we are writing the coldest. December is the coldest month of the year. December is the coldest month of the year. Number 8. The living room is dash room in the house. In bracket it is given clean. So the superlative form is the cleanest. The cleanest. So let us write that. The cleanest. The living room is the cleanest room in the house. The living room is the cleanest room in the house. Number 9. Apples are dash fruits of all. Apples are dash fruits of all. So here we have to write the superlative degree for tasty. This is given. See, tasty. Tasty, tastier, and the tastiest. So the superlative form I am writing the tastiest. The tastiest. Apples are the tastiest fruits of all. See, we add IEST instead of Y. Number 10. Tim is dash boy in class. Tim is dash boy in class. Here it is given funny. So what is the superlative form? The funniest. See, I will write the answer. The funniest. 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 Tim is the funniest boy in the class. Is the funniest. Here again we add IEST because Y is given. Then number 11. The blue jacket is dash jacket in this shop. The blue jacket. So here it is given nice. What are the forms? Nice, nicer, nicest. So here we write the superlative form. The nicest. The nicest. The blue jacket is the nicest jacket in this shop. After that, number 12. This cat is dash cat I have ever seen. See, this cat is dash cat I have ever seen. In bracket it is given big. So big, bigger, biggest. We will write the answer with superlative degree. The biggest. 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 This cat is the biggest cat I have ever seen. As we are writing superlative degree, so remember students, we have to write the before superlative degree. After that we have the next exercise. Circle the correct word. We have to mark the correct word. We have to circle it. Are you ready? You have to find out the correct word. I will read the sentence twice and you have to find out what is the answer. So let's solve that exercise. Number 1. Sarah is the dash person of her family. Sarah is the dash person of her family. The youngest or the younger. So you should know that when the is given, whenever you see the, we have to write superlative degree. The youngest. The answer is first one. The youngest. Sarah is the youngest person of her family. Why did I circle this? Because it is superlative degree. See, the is given. After that, number 2. The more dash delicious meals are made there. More delicious or most delicious. The more dash meals are made there. So should we write more delicious or most delicious meals are made there? Here also you have to notice one thing. The is given. So with the we write superlative degree. So which is the superlative degree? More delicious or most delicious? Superlative degree is most delicious. The most delicious meals are made there. The most delicious meals are made there. Number 3. Michael is dash of all the 3 brothers. Michael is the dash of all the 3 brothers. So the taller or the tallest, what should I write? Here it is given taller and tallest, both. So we should write the tallest. Michael is the tallest of the 3 brothers. Then, number 4. I always the dash boy in the class. I was always the dash boy in the class. So again, the is given, means it is superlative degree. Which is the superlative degree? Thinnest or thinner? Here it would be the thinnest. I was always the thinnest boy in the class. Number 5. You are the dash man in this company. What do you see over here? You can see article the is there over here. So with article the we write superlative degree. Is it rich or richest? Richest. You are the richest man in this company. You are the richest man in this company. Number 6. This is the dash wallet in the shop. So I can see article the is used over here. So should we write the cheapest or the cheaper? We should write the cheapest. This is the cheapest wallet in the shop. Cheapest means not very costly. It costs only a little money. So this is the cheapest wallet in the shop. Number 7. This is the dash car in the lot. This is the dash car. Shiniest or shinier? The shiniest. This is the best car in the lot. This is the shiniest car in the lot. Number 8. I had the dash night out with my friends. The best or the better. Superlative degree is the best. I had the best night out with my friends. Number 9. You are most generous or you are more generous. What should we write? More generous or most generous? Most. You are most generous. Generous means very kind, very helpful person. Number 10. That mouse is the dash I have ever seen. That mouse is the tinier or the tiniest. The tiniest. That mouse is the tiniest I have ever seen, means very very small in size. Number 11. This painting is the more beautiful or the most beautiful painting ever created. Is it more beautiful or the most beautiful? We should write most beautiful. This painting is the most beautiful painting ever created. Number 12. Jan is the dash singer I know. The worst singer or the worst singer? Which one is the superlative? Worst or worst? The worst. Jan is the worst singer I know. Number 13. It was the dash day of my life. Happier or happiest? It was the happiest day of my life. Number 14. Mumbai is the dash city in India. The bigger or the biggest? Mumbai is the biggest city in India. The biggest. Number 15. My car is the dash one. My car is for the further one or the farthest. So here it is furthest. Number 16. Accept the dash, prepare for the dash. So here the superlative is the best and here the superlative is the worst. The best or the worst. Accept the best, prepare for the worst. That is the answer. So here we complete our today's video. We just learnt the superlative degrees in our today's video. We practiced a lot with the superlative degree. We have also done positive and comparative degree in the previous video. So for that you have to watch the previous videos and practice them. Keep your textbooks complete for chapter 14. Have a nice day. Thank you.